All right, guys, a quick video on where to find answers. And they are in the FAQ document. So this is our back office, the Coach Online office, as you may recognize. It says right here, right? And down here at the bottom, there's an FAQ button. All right, so if we click on that, it's going to take me back to the page where I was before. It's faq.coach.custhelp.com. So this is where you get your questions answered. So again, you want to log into the Coach Online office and just click on this FAQ button way down here at the bottom. That will take you to the FAQ. You can also just search Team Beachbody FAQs on Google. That's going to take you to the customer database, which doesn't have as much information in it as the Coach database. So I think this is a little bit better to use when you are trying to find a little bit broader answers, maybe more related to the business, although they both have a lot of the same information in them, so you can usually get away with either. Let's just say, for example, we wanted to know, so this is June of 2014 now, what's the June 2014 Challenge Pack promotion? It's going to take me in here and it's going to give me all this information about what's on sale this month as far as challenge packs. And it's really nice because it gives you the retail price and the promotional price. Also tells you when the sales end. You can see some of these, not all of them end this month. Some of these guys go longer because we're just coming out of Summit here. Also gives you your links, which is really nice, right? So you just plop your Coach ID number in right there. Copy this whole thing and then, well, not copy that whole thing, but just copy this whole section of it and then paste it and pop your Coach ID number in there, and that'll generate the links you need for these things. Let's get a lot more information in here about what's included, right? What comes with all this stuff, and all kinds of links to all of the various helpful things that you are going to need to sell stuff like a challenge pack. There's another quick one that I think a lot of people have. They want to know, hey, I just met somebody down at, soccer or, at church or whatever, and I want that person to sign up under me. I was talking to them, they're already doing a program or they've got some familiarity, and they said they have a coach, but they're not working with that person. That's a really important question to ask. I ask the question, do you have a coach? Or are you working with a coach is actually the way I ask it. Are you working with a coach? If the answer is, yeah, I'm doing P90X on my own, maybe I have a coach, but they're not somebody I'm working with, then I'm going to suggest that you can go ahead and get your customer to change over. So I just went here and typed coach change, and click search, and this is what the first one that came up. And this gives you all of the information about how to do that. So I think that's really helpful. Just another quick example. How do I edit website, right? Edit website. I wanted to point this one out because it's not the first thing that comes up. I tried a couple different searches. It's edit replicated websites. So if you're new to this process and you need to make some changes to your website, you can just go in here and it's really nice. It's actually got a link that will take you right to where you edit your website. It's really simple, actually. It's just kind of right here. But you can also just click there. So these are kind of really common issues that people run into and questions that they're looking to get answered. I really want to encourage you guys to use this resource. We have a great group on Facebook, and it's a good place to get questions answered. But what ends up happening is when you ask a question in there and you haven't come in here first, somebody is inevitably going to answer that question. And I think what I want you to think about is, what could they be doing instead of answering your question? And the answer is they could probably be building their own business, okay? So I really want you to utilize this resource. When you have questions, again, go into the Coach Online office, all the way down here at the bottom. It's the FAQ. Type in your answers. If you're searching and you can't find it, that's a different thing, okay? But come in here and search first. The other thing that I want to point you out to is all of these FAQs are numbered, okay? So we have a 1607, for example, is the number of this particular FAQ. And I thought it said it somewhere else on the page as well, but I'm not seeing it right now. But it's up here. 1607 is the number. So let's just say you called Coach Relations. Somebody submitted an email request, and you called Coach Relations to follow up on it, and you happen to get a particularly stupid or maybe brand new person, and they tried to tell you, oh yeah, you can't do that. You can't change, customers can't change their coach. It's really simple. You just say, okay, hold on one second, look it up, find the right FAQ, or get off the phone with them and then call back, find the right FAQ, and then cite them to that FAQ, okay? In this case, 1607. Have them go there. They're going to read this FAQ, and they're going to do what you want them to do. So again, it's a powerful tool for you not to just get questions answered, but if you're struggling with a customer service representative or a coach relations representative for whatever reason, this is a really easy way to just get them to do what you want to do. Go find the answer first and have it on hand before you get on the phone with them. And then as long as the answer's in here, because that's exactly what they're going to do. This is their database to look at to determine whether to process your request or not. So if you can take them right there, your chances of success are going to be a lot better. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Hope you're having fun in the group, and I hope you are building your Team Beachbody business.